Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So, before we start, let's reciting basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, let me check your attendance first. If I call your name, please raise your hand. Mbak Jena, Mbak Leni, Mbak Devi. Okay, thank you. So, today we will learn about factured narrative. Have you ever heard about factured narrative? No? Okay. First, you need to look at these pictures. Look at the first picture. What do you see there? Yes, Majana? Yes, Nyi Roro Kidul. How about the second picture? Kadita. Kadita, yes. There, Kadita is one of the Mobile Legends character. Yeah. So, what do you think about Nyi Roro Kidul? Have you ever heard about Nyi Roro Kidul?
Yes.
What? Horror. Okay. Other than that? Mistake, yeah. Kind of mistake. How about Kadita? Do you guys have Mobile Legends on your phone?
No.
No. Have you ever played the game?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So Kadita is one of the characters. If you ever maybe used Kadita, you know that Kadita in the game has like water
Power.
Yeah, water power. Okay. You guys have already learned about narrative text, right?
Yeah.
So this is actually kind of the same, but the difference is something will be changed in the story, in the fractured narrative. Fractured narrative is a narrative that has been rewritten in a different way from the original version. So maybe the story is not the same. For example, like Nyi Roro Kidul and Kadita have different background of the story. The purpose of the fractured narrative can be teach an updated or modern moral lesson. Like if you heard about Nyi Roro Kidul, it's maybe like the OG, like the old one. The Kadita is the newest version of Nyi Roro Kidul, but in a different kind of story. So in the fractured narrative, fractured story, there are 7 ways to fracture the story. You can change the character. For example, like Nyi Roro Kidul and Kadita, there are 2 different names, right? So you can change the character from Nyi Roro Kidul to Kadita. Change the setting. Maybe, for example, in the Snow White lives in a modern big city, but as we know, Snow White, the OG Snow White, is in the jungle, in the forest. Maybe you can change the plot, like what happened to the character. And the 4th is change the point of view of the character, the conflict, the ending, and the mix and match story. It can be, maybe you know the Snow White and the Cinderella, you can combine all of them. Or maybe you know Nyi Roro Kidul and do you know anyone else Nyi Roro Kidul? Nyi Roro Jonggrang. You can combine them as a fractured story. For the generic structure of fractured narrative, because it came from the narrative text, it means the generic structure is kind of the same: the orientation, complication, and the resolution. What is orientation? Orientation is answers the who, when, where, and what happened in the story. For the complication is when the problem is arriving at the story, and the resolution is the how the problem is solved. There are some optional structures. It can be evaluation for the moral message, coda for the lesson learned, and reorientation. But if you do not mention it in your story, it's okay. For the types of conflict, you can use natural conflict. For example, the character versus the nature, the social conflict, character versus character, and the psychological conflict, character versus the character itself. For the language features, let make it short. You need to use what you must use in the narrative. Fracture narrative is past tense. It can be simple past tense or past continuous tense. It depends on the story. But if you want to make specific characters, it's okay. At first of time, once upon a time, etc. Okay, now you can open your mobile phone and open the LKPD part that I have sent you before. First, you need to write down your name, class, and also the date today. What date is today? 16th of December 2025. Okay. So from this LKPD, you will be able to identify the general and specific information into narrative text. I will have two narrative texts there, and compare a traditional story with its fractured version. So there are two versions: the traditional or the OG or original one, and the fractured one. And then analyze orientation, communication, resolution as the main part of generic structure of them, and then interpret visual information from a video. I will give you a video for the viewing task. Okay. Now the reading section, I want you to separate into two groups: the right group and the left group. Okay. For the right group, please read the first sentence of The Legend of Nyi Roro Kidul. Sentence ya, not paragraph. Can you see that? Yes. Yeah. No. You can start reading now. Yes, all of you. 3, 4 of you.
Once
1, 2, 3.
The Legend of Nyi Roro Kidul.
once upon a time in the kingdom of
Okay, thank you. Okay, the second group, the left group, please read the fractured version of Nyi Roro Kidul. Can you see that?
Yes.
Two sentences, please. 1, 2, 3.
Kadita the ocean goddess. Kadita was once the.
Okay, thank you, left group. Now let's answer the question. The right group will answer the second question, and the left group will answer the 8th question. Okay.
The first one or the second one? The first one or the second one?
Oh, the LKPD one. Of course. Okay. The right group, please read the question first. What?
number 1.
Yes. Number 2. Number berapa tadi?
Second.
Oh, yeah, number 2nd.
What curse did the black wizard place on Kadita?
What is the question? What is the answer?
He cursed her with painful ulcers and of and a fowl smells that ruins her beauty.
Okay, good job. Please give applause for Rachel. Now the left group, please answer. Oh, please read first the question number 8. Anyone? Yes.
Who saved Kadita after she threw herself into the sea?
Okay, what is the answer? It's okay. Don't be too afraid, yeah. Your answer. So the answer is louder, please.
The ocean rescued her and transformed her.
Okay, thank you. Please give applause to the left group. Okay, let me click it faster, yeah.
Yeah, we are hungry.
Okay, now the second task. So there are six table actually. The structure of Nirara Kidul and Kadita, the ocean goddess. So you need to, this is individual, yeah, you don't need to be part of your group. This is individual. You need to write down the orientation part of Nirara Kidul, communication part of Nirara Kidul, and the resolution part, and also the Kadita, okay?
Yes.
You will submit it to me. I will give you only 5 minutes. Is it enough?
Yes, miss.
Write down in a paper, okay?
Yes, miss.
Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, please submit it to me. Okay, thank you. Now let's move on to the feeling section. So feeling means you feel something in the I will give you a video. Please pay attention to the video. After that, we will answer the questions.
The queen of the southern seas, Kadita, was once the princess of a small island nation. Admired by everyone, Kadita
So, who is the main character of the story? Kadita.
was once
I want to show you the caption. Look at this. Kadita was once the princess of a small island nation. Kadita was. So this is what tense? Past tense. So if you want to write down fractured narrative, you will use past tense, as I mentioned before. Okay, let's back to the LKPD. Okay, there are 6 questions based on the video. I want you to individually work on it and write down on your book. And you will submit it to me. I will give you 3 minutes. Is it enough?
Yes.
Okay. You can do it now. Okay. Have you finished? Okay. Give me your book after we finish our lesson today, okay? Next. Do you have any question about fractured narrative?
No.
No. What is fractured narrative? Fractured narrative is a text, narrative text that rewritten
In a different way
from the original one. Yeah, that's right. The generic structure is kind of same with narrative text. What are they? Orientation, communication, resolution. Which generic structure that mention who, when, where, and what? Orientation. How the problem is arriving? Communication. The problem solving? Resolution. Okay. I will give you a homework. Look at the task 4. rewrite one part of Nirarakidal story. It can be orientation, complication, or resolution into a fractured version. But different with Kadita ya. You need to rewrite the Nirarakidal story that we read before. You can choose only one. Is it orientation, complication, or resolution? And change it into your version fracture story. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So you will submit it to me in a paper, in a piece of paper next week. Okay. And the reflection, I want you to write down your reflection in your book, in your small book. Okay. Do you have any question? No? Okay. If you don't have any question, let's close our lesson today by reciting Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Okay. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.